Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and today I would like to show you one of our hard sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, you can see the outside package. It is kind of blue VCI anti-rust bag, and here it is printed with our label. And the first line of the label is our Shumatt brand, and the product code is F00VC01363. Actually, for this kind of logo, label, packages, etc., all we can support customize the service, and then I will show you the inside. Transparent bottles can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. Inside one layers of the oil paper to wrap it up. And each product 6 months warranty time in this period. If you are not satisfied with the quality, return or exchange, quality guaranteed. And let's take a look for this valve assembly. Actually, for this one applicable for inject number is 044511030, etc. and applicable for vehicle car for Citroen, DS, Ford, Peugeot. And for this one, let's take a look for the details. The valve cap there with coating figures here. And this is the valve rod. If you want to install the valve assembly, remember, make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly after inject the body. So much for this one. At last, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.